What? Oh, what? Where am I? Oh, right, yeah, we're recording. You're watching another video today by Newton Abbey's 28. Today we're at a brand new station, Balmoral, with...
Hello.
With... What's your YouTube name?
Oh.
Emerald's Railway Vids. And I have unconsciously crashed and spawned in Balmoral. And I don't know how I'm going to get out of here. Maybe if I climb up Devis Mountains in the distance. No, that's not the right way. Anyway, this video actually starts off at Lanyon Place. We're going to be looking at a few trains plus a DD. I'm not going to tell you the number of the DD, you'll find out yourself. And we are going to also be hopefully seeing this here as well. So, see you when the trains come. Here's 309 on the 12:55 to Whitehead.
Alright, well look lads, enjoy the very short period of time with this, alright? Enjoy the very short period of time with this.
Wait, are you getting on this one?
Yeah.
Oh. No, I'm staying.
Alright, well lads, look, I'll see you
Right.
later, alright?
Alright, see you later, Charlie. Bye.
I'll come next night.
Alright. Aye, there's another one. And that's for...
This one?
What service is this?
This will probably be on this one.
12. It's 12:57 service, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, it's a 4,000. Oh, Forsyth would have been wanting to come here because it's 4:02. Oh, there's a balloon on the railway. Will it pop? No, it just went under. The balloon's gone. Could have sworn there was a balloon there. Another Spanish bucket is approaching.
I'll try and get a few pictures here. Let's do this.
Theo 11. The banger on the 1314. Graffiti. Oh my goodness.
Next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 1322 Northern Ireland Railways service to Great Victoria Street, calling at Botanic, City Hospital and Great Victoria Street. Please remain behind the yellow line until your train has come to a halt and allow passengers to alight before trying to board.
Just missed a big horn there. It's for the 1322. It's a Great Victoria Street. That's for 316. Flip's sake, we're full of 3000s today. This one's for the 1325 to Lauren Harbour, and this 3020 again. Oh my goodness me, my ears. And if I'm correct, there should be another one coming soon.
Yeah, 1429, not one yet.
Yep. And it's off to the place that's fairly dodgy. 4,000 at last. Oh, sorry. Sorry. 412. From the 1329 to Lisburn. Scratch. I don't know what you meant. What the heck are the lights on? Wait a second. 9-car stop? What's that for? Never saw that in my life. Yes, here's the DD. My beauty. Good God, there's something dripping. What's the number at the back? Looks like 9003.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm just gonna get a photo of the back. And 207s at the front. The DD's here. Was not expecting to see a DD here today, but just gonna ignore that sign there. I'm going to get a photo of that. There. 3022 is on the 1343 service to Bangor. Them scratching is really starting to get on my ears now. Lewis is still away, he's at Starbucks getting me a brownie. Fucking love the guy. Not that way obviously, but... And... Awanham 1, I think that's how you pronounce it, is still sitting here. And here's the... or River Boyne. And here is the DD. 4013. On the 1352 to Great Victoria Street. This was the one that was graffitied.
Please remain behind the yellow line until your train has come to a
But I think it's on the other side.
allow passengers to alight.
Oh, wait a minute.
before trying
And then I think there's another one coming on this side here. Very, very shortly. Leon would have loved this one. 3016 gave us just a phone now. That's a 1355 to Whitehead. There's 413 off Great Vic. Was the dog sound effect meant to come with? Oh wait, no, the dog's there. I believe the 1359 is coming now. And it's off to Lisburn, and I think we're getting on that one, aren't we? Yeah. Wait for that to go. Oh right. Well, we're getting on the 1359 to Lisburn now, and it's 4:05. Let's go. Yeah, you're right. It does stop here. Right. I'll see you later. And we are at Balmoral. Never been here before. This could be an express. Heard your horses bays. Yeah. No, it's not. It's 412. 1425. Them fucking bastards just fingered us there. There's some idiots on the train that fingered us. Like, they done that to us, yeah. They stuck. Their middle finger got a boner. We'll say that. Express. .407 to Portadown. That's 401 to Great Victoria Street on another express. Here's the 3000 coming in for the 1447 service. And it's 3011. It's off to Lisburn, I think. There's 405 again. Bangor via Great Victoria Street on the 1455 service. I thought I would try standing on this to see how we do for shots. I'm smelling burgers in there. Man, I could go for one right now. But no, I'm skint practically. Well, I mean, I've got £7, but even then, stuff in there would be considerably more than that. Jesus Christ! That literally just spawned. What's 401 the Portadown there? My goodness. I think that's another express. Yep. To Great Victoria Street. So
Yeah, I'm not recording this. I'm going to capture pictures.
it's 3022 to Great Victoria Street. No, it's not. It's to Lisburn via Great Victoria Street. 1517 service. Now, if I'm correct, the DD should be coming any minute. That's my speechless co-host. When he realised he wasn't able to talk, he was speechless. Do you get the joke?
Yes.
Yes. I think this is for the 1535 service. 25, sorry. 3011 to Bangor via Great Victoria Street. Ah, crap, missed that one. No, we missed another one. It was 407 off the Great Victoria Street. These, honestly, these expresses are just popping up and spawning out of nowhere. Aren't they? Yeah. Even the body of opinion is for me. I think that's 409, the Lisburn, on the 1548 service. Then there's a service due at 1554 that's due to go back to Lanyon, I think. Or Bangor, I don't know. What the heck happened to the livery? Oh no, not another 3000. I guess our adventure ends here. This is for the 1554 service, 2 minutes late. And this is 3022 to Bangor via Great Victoria Street. It's been a long video, I tell you that. But sadly, it is now time to end. See you in the next one, and goodbye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.